Hey everyone, today we're tackling a massive roadblock that stops so many people from sharing their ideas, building a digital presence. Now, if you've ever felt totally intimidated by the tech world, maybe assuming that websites are only for, Silicon Valley engineers, well, you're in exactly the right place. We are going to explore how to build a completely free website today without writing a single line of code. Yep, zero coding. Let's jump right in. So, you want a website, right? But you don't know how to code? It's an incredibly common frustration. You've got the ideas, the content, the message, but the second you think about a website, you probably picture a dark screen just filled with complex HTML and those crazy expensive developer fees. Well, today we are completely eliminating that roadblock. Okay, section 1. What is Google Sites? Let's take a look at this free website tool. Basically, Google Sites is a free website builder created by Google. And what's absolutely crucial to remember here is that it requires literally zero coding knowledge. Because it's backed by Google, you know it's reliable. And since it's totally code-free, you can just drop your guard. Honestly, if you know how to use a keyboard and a mouse, you are officially overqualified to use this tool. Moving on to section 2, how to build your website. Here is a quick step-by-step guide. The setup process really just boils down to 5 super quick steps. First up, just log in with your standard Gmail account. We all have one, right? Next, type sites.google.com right into your browser. Third, hit that plus or blank button to start a fresh project. Fourth, you'll land right in their incredibly simple editor. And finally, you just drag and drop. That's it. It literally takes what usually feels like a multi-month engineering project and turns it into a 2-minute task. And when I say everything is drag and drop, I mean it's literally just like writing in a Word document. Most of us use word processors every day. You click, you type, maybe you make something bold, you drop in an image. It's exactly like that. If you can type a simple letter on your computer, you can absolutely build a website on Google Sites. It really is that intuitive. Once you're actually in the editor, you've got this fantastic variety of elements right at your fingertips. You can add text, upload your photos and images, or, and this is super cool, you can even embed YouTube videos directly onto the page, so your visitors can watch without even having to leave your site. Plus, you're not just stuck with a single page. You can easily build out multiple pages, like a home page, an about page, maybe a videos page, just piecing it together. All right, section 3, free features and limitations. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Now, it's really important to understand the trade-offs here. The massive, undeniable benefit is that your website is 100% free, and that comes with a free Google web address. Something like sites.google.com/view/your name. You literally do not pay a single dime for hosting. But on the flip side, what are the limitations? Well, your design options are going to be somewhat limited, especially if you compare it to those expensive, highly animated paid platforms like Wix. Also, if you want a custom domain, like yourname.com, without the Google part attached to it, you will have to purchase that separately. Knowing this upfront just sets your expectations perfectly. But wait, we really have to talk about the storage. 15 gigabytes. Your new website basically shares storage with your Google Drive, giving you a massive 15 gigs of space completely for free to host all your images, your text, and your files. Just to put that into perspective, in the web hosting world, getting that much lightning-fast storage for $0, that is just an incredible advantage. Okay, bringing it home with Section 4, your Islamic Content Hub, getting it all in one place. So let's bring all of this into a sharp, real-world focus for you. Because Google Sites lets you easily format text and embed videos so smoothly, it is absolutely perfect for hosting Islamic content. Let's say you're an educator or a creator. You can neatly organize your Hadith posts on one page, create some beautifully formatted Sunnah lists on another, and then embed your related YouTube videos right alongside them. Instead of making your audience hunt across 5 different platforms, you're building this centralized, completely free home for your knowledge. So as you can see, the traditional barrier to entry is completely gone. You've got a free platform, a totally intuitive editor, and 15 gigabytes of storage just waiting to be used. The only thing left is for you to open up a browser. So what do you say? Are you ready to build your very first page step by step today? Thanks so much for joining me as we unpacked all this, and I honestly cannot wait to see what you go out there and create.